Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply at West Coast Tvet College. By the way guys, I hope everyone is good, is enjoying the festive, the December. May all the people be safe. Yeah. Next year's college time is university time. January is coming. So if you know guys you didn't apply yet, or maybe you are not accepted anyway, and then you've been trying, this is your chance guys. This is your chance because guess what? Coast West Tvet College has opened for late application. So to apply guys for Coast West Tvet College, what you must do, you must open Chrome or any internet browser. And then when you get to Chrome guys, you're gonna type West Coast Student Portal. So here guys, I'm just showing you the simplest way. West Coast Student Portal. And then after guys, you search. And then here we are guys, here we are. If you can check, we have West Coast College Student Portal, right? It's the first link. So we're gonna leave it and then we check the second one. It's written West Coast College Self-Help Enabled. So now guys, you're gonna click where it's written Self-Help Enabled. That's where you're gonna click guys. You're gonna click on it. And then here we are guys, here we are. So if maybe you did apply previous year and then now you want to reapply, you can put your student number. You put the student number here, then you put the pin. After you log in, you do reapply. But then if now you are here for a new application, as now I'm here for a new application, what you're gonna do guys, you're gonna click on top of that head of a person. You see on my left side there is a head of a person and it's written late applications apply here. So you're gonna click on top of that head of a person. Here we click, and then here we are guys, here we are guys. So in this part guys, in this part you're gonna be filling your personal details. So let me fill my personal details. You start by names. Remember guys, full names. If you are having one name, you put one name. If you are having two names, you put two names. If you are having three, you put three names. Don't get confused guys. And then surname is surname. So yeah guys, if you are having a senior matric certificate, you choose on other senior certificates. And then if you don't have a matric, maybe you're gonna apply using grade 9 and 10 or 11, and then you click no matric. But then if you are having matric, you're gonna click on other senior certificate, because here they don't give you all the options. But then yeah, this is it guys, and then this is it. And then don't forget to put your ID. You see on the ID guys, they didn't put a red star, but then it's a compulsory. You can't pass without putting it. You see now I'm putting it, and then I'm going back to finish what I was doing. And then you see, let me just read this one. Some guys I want to talk about them, but some will talk because they are important. So you see here they're saying, are you currently employed? If you are employed, you're gonna click yes. If you are not, you click no. And then the second one, do you want to apply for resistant? This is accommodation. So if you want to apply for accommodation, you're gonna click yes. And if you don't want to apply for it, you're gonna click no. And then is bursary required? So if you're gonna use bursary, you click yes. Then yeah. And then guys, when you are done filling the form, you can just scroll up so that you see whether you filled everything. You see, you double check so that you can avoid mistakes when it's still now. You see, and then yeah, it seems like everywhere is being filled, and then you're gonna click save. You see there's a save down there on your left side. You click that save, and then yeah, now guys, you put a pin. Remember, when you're setting a pin, should be 5 digital numbers. This is the pin guys you're gonna be using to log in, to track your status and so on. And then after, you click create pin, where is written create pin. And then yeah, here we are guys, here we are guys. Don't forget, now I didn't apply for any course, right? I just created a portal, which is my portal. So now what I'm gonna do inside my portal, Now I'm going to add courses. So to add course, guys, you see on your left side there's options, right, under student web. So you're gonna click where it's written application. Click application, and you see things appears, and then you just avoid others, and then you just go to view application rules. First you go to view application rules. As I believe you have to accept them. You click there, and then you click I accept, and then you are done. So now you click submit application. First you click view application rule, then you accept the rules, which is the TNCs, and then now you're gonna click submit application. You click submit application, and then here we are, guys. Here we are. So to choose course, guys, to make it simple for you, don't type a course by a name. No, just put the letter A, as I believe every course has a letter A in between. There's no way. So after you just click search, and then all available courses will be revealed. You see, here are our available courses. Oh, nice part, guys. There are still plenty of courses. So yeah, let's hurry and apply, guys. Let's hurry and apply. So now I'm gonna just check all the courses so that I can choose the right one for me. So I'm gonna just check all the courses. Okay, guys. So to choose a course, guys, you see like it's written in blue on your left side, and then there's numbers. So now, for example, now I'm gonna choose public management. So I'm gonna click where it's written NC 4003. You click on top of that 4003. Let me click show you. You see, and then it takes you here. Let me scroll up. It takes you here, and then you're gonna start by clicking here, and then you choose the campus. We have like 4, so you can just choose any from these 4. Then after, then it fills everything for you. Then you can just click save and continue. So here we are, guys. So from here, let's say you want them to send you a confirmation. So you're gonna click on email details. You click email details, and then the confirmation is being sent to the email. Then after, then that's when you can go and then click accept application. Let me just click it. Okay, and then if you can see, guys, on top is written your application is being received for further processing. So yeah, it means everything has went through. So let me just go and then add the second one. Then after, then I can go back and then take you through, so you can see whether it's successful. So yeah, you still guys gonna click on submit application. So yeah, still I'm gonna put a letter A, then after you click search, then here we are, guys. Here we are. So let me just scroll. I hope you all see the available courses here. So let's say now I'm gonna take women resource, which is written NC4007. So you're gonna click on NC4007. Then here we are. So it's gonna be your second choice. Then they give you the available campus, which is, we have 2 now. So you can just choose from these 2 campus, maybe the one that is near you, obviously, and then you click the one. And then here, after now is done, you can just click save and continue. Then here we are, guys. So the process is the same as before. So now you can just click email details, then they're gonna send you the confirmation of the course, obviously. Click email details, and then you see it's clicked. As long as your email appears when you click, it means it's fine. And then after you click accept the application. So yeah, you see the application went through, so it's fine. I'm closing the tab. So no, guys, I'm just wanna show you whether the courses I choose they went through for real. So what you're gonna do now, guys, still on the left side, you don't change anything. Now you're gonna click where it's written academic admission status. You see where it's written academic admission status. You click there, and then yeah, here we are, guys. Here we are. So yeah, these are the courses I applied for, and then status is application received. So yeah, this is how you apply, guys, at West Coast College. So I hope you guys find this video useful, and then again, let me just show you how to upload documents while I'm still here, because obviously I didn't upload documents, right? Then I must upload them so that everything go well together. So to upload documents, guys, you're gonna go to student inquiry, and then under student inquiry, let me just scroll. Under student inquiry, you're gonna click where it's written certificate C. You click certificate C, and then yeah, here you are, guys. Here you are. So let me see which documents they require. Okay, the documents. Okay, I see they want the ID, and then they want a proof of address. Okay, and then they want school living certificate. Okay, so let me start by uploading at the top, guys. So the rest, guys, is not important. That's why now I talked about ID, proof of address, school result. So now I'm gonna upload ID first. Click here. I'm going to choose the ID now. Just stay with me, guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere, guys. Then here's the ID. I open it. Then I save it. And then the document is uploaded successfully. I close. And then now I'm gonna upload proof of address. You see PR, proof of address. This one is also compulsory. So yeah, you can see, guys, it's uploaded successfully. So I'm gonna close, and I'm gonna close again. And then now I'm gonna go to school result. It's written school result. So I'm gonna upload school result, which is I'm gonna upload my matric certificate. Then after you save, then yeah, close, close. So yeah, the documents, guys, are uploaded successfully. Let me just close the tab and then open it again. Let me click again on certificate C. As you can see, guys, you see on ID here we got the ID, and then it's written uploaded, yes. Then let's scroll down. The rest, guys, are not really necessary to upload because I believe everyone maybe doesn't have. So yeah, proof of resident, you see it's written yes, and before it was no, remember. Then you see school living is also yes, so it means everything now went through. So when it comes to like vaccination certificate, you can just upload if you want to, but those are not even necessary. And then resistant agreement, resistant registration, placement test, those are just additional documents, which is it's not a must to upload. So yeah, those three documents which is I just uploaded now, those are compulsory. So if maybe you didn't upload one of them, it simply means that you're gonna face outstanding documents. So yeah, let me now close the tab, and then yeah, let me close the tab, guys. I believe I'm done with whatever I was showing you today. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.